Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Pinterest notifications and stop those constant updates about views and impressions, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off in-app notifications for views and impressions on Pinterest so you can browse and create without distractions. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, at the very top of your profile page, tap on your profile picture again. This will open up your profile settings, where you can manage everything from your account details to your notification preferences. Next, look for the option labeled Notification and give it a tap. This section is where Pinterest lets you customize what types of updates you receive and how you're notified about activity on your account. Scroll through the notification settings until you find Views and Impressions. Tap on it to open up more options. Here, Pinterest gives you control over how you want to be notified when someone views your pins or when your content gets impressions. Under the section titled How do you want to be notified, you'll see several options. To turn off in-app notifications, simply toggle the in-app switch to the off position. This means you'll no longer receive pop-ups or alerts within the Pinterest app about views and impressions, letting you focus on what matters most, creating and discovering new ideas. And that's it. You've successfully turned off in-app notifications for views and impressions on Pinterest. If you ever want to turn them back on, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Pinterest tips for more ways to customize your experience. See you in the next video.